I spent some time thinking about what the Arc is for. It's a space that brings researchers from different disciplines together, that is about cutting-edge research, and is also about the university's aspiration to share that work and be a publicly accessible space. The Arc building is already a really rich environment. It felt like a really good opportunity to use this space as a kind of informal gallery, really, for the people who work here and also for visitors who come in. We held meetings with some of the residents here and heard how they felt about the building, and then looked for artworks that were by interesting, often important and internationally recognised artists, and could be relevant, interesting, provocative or inspiring. I hope people just enjoyed that they're brightening the space and bringing different worlds into the world of the Arc.